In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into MetaTrader 4. This process should take around 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll be ready to start trading. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to head over to your broker's website. Make sure you have your account credentials at hand, as you'll need these to sign in. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the funding section. This is typically located in the main navigation menu or the dashboard of your account. Clicking on Funding will take you to a page where you can manage your account's financials. Now that you're in the Funding section, look for the Deposit button. It's usually prominently displayed, allowing you to quickly add funds to your account. After clicking Deposit, you'll be prompted to find the specific live MT4 account number you wish to fund. Make sure you're selecting the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts set up, to ensure that your funds are directed to the right place. With the correct account selected, it's time to locate the Deposit or Add Funds button associated with it. Once you click on this, a new set of options will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred deposit method. Depending on your broker, you may have a variety of methods available. Common deposit options include credit or debit cards, e-wallets, bank wire transfers, and even cryptocurrency. Select the method that best suits your needs, keeping in mind factors such as processing times and any potential fees that may apply. After deciding how you wish to deposit funds, enter the amount you want to deposit. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid errors, since mistakes in funding can cause delays. At this stage, you'll need to provide your payment details. This could involve entering card information, logging into your e-wallet, or other forms of verification depending on the method you selected earlier. Once you've entered these details, confirm everything before proceeding. Some brokers may ask for further authentication steps, so keep an eye out for any additional prompts. Finally, after completing the transaction on the broker's website, it's important to verify the deposit in MetaTrader 4. This ensures that the funds have been correctly added to your account and there are no outstanding issues. Check your MT4 platform's balance to confirm that the funds have arrived and you're all set. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to deposit money into MetaTrader 4. Following these steps will help you fund your account swiftly and enjoy a seamless trading experience. Happy trading! And don't forget to double-check each step to avoid any hitches along the way.